I just wanted to get on the mic really quick and give a few shout outs and welcome you all to the 2022 first of the Plainfield First Friday Food Truck Series. I want to shout out the food trucks that are out here. We have Family Flavor of Plainfield Original. We have Kay's Kitchen, another local favorite. We have our newest member on the team, Empanada Guy. Thank you for traveling all the way here. And then we have the famous lobster, Cousins Named Lobster, who's been supporters of ours the whole time. I want to shout out the Alpha Phi Alpha chapter out here getting people registered to vote. We also have Iris House who's doing some testing. And so if you want to go get tested for HIV, we do have our Iris House truck out here. This will be happening every first Friday of the month until October. Thank you so much, everybody, for indulging me as long as you have. Enjoyed the night.